Hey everybody, Chaz here. In this video I'm going to be talking about the upcoming iPhone 12 expected to launch this September. So the iPhone 12 is the current name for the upcoming iPhone, and this is all very exciting considering the iPhone 12 will probably be the first iPhone to come with 5G mobile network capabilities. This recent excitement about the iPhone 12 comes after an Apple analyst, John Prosser, has analysed that there will be 4 iPhone 12 models from a report published last year. So 2 regular iPhone 12 models and 2 iPhone 12 Pro models. So basically here it says the prototyping has just about finalised and the details line up with what another Apple analyst said last year in a report. So here in the image we have 4 models, 2 iPhone 12 regular models and 2 iPhone 12 Pro models, and the difference between the 2 of each iPhone model is the screen size. So what John is saying here is that there will be 2 different iPhone 12 models and 2 different iPhone 12 Pro models with different screen sizes. So the first iPhone 12 regular model has a 5.4-inch screen size, whilst the second iPhone 12 regular model has a 6.1-inch screen size. Next we have the first iPhone 12 Pro, which has a 6.1-inch screen as well, and then finally we have the second iPhone 12 Pro, which has a 6.7-inch screen, and it says all of these models will have 5G and the Apple A14 chip. However, the one thing that really disappoints me is that all the models have the notch, which I honestly hoped Apple would get rid of by the iPhone 12, but the source of information says it's staying. However, it does say it is smaller, so it could be a little less interfering than the notches in previous iPhones. Next up we have the camera. So a leak has been spotted in a leaked build of iOS 14. So this image was spotted by Concept's iPhone, and it shows a square camera like the iPhone 11 has, but this time we have 4 cameras squeezed in instead of 3. So the first 3 look similar to the cameras of the iPhone 11, but the fourth one looks a little bit different. It looks a bit like the LiDAR scanner that is on the new iPad Pro 2020. Now, if you didn't know, the LiDAR scanner stands for light detection and ranging, and what it does is it can measure the distance to surrounding objects up to 5 meters away, and this works really quickly and is a really great feature, but currently it is only available on the iPad Pro 2020. But you can use it for several things, including measuring the distance you are from someone else and measuring you or someone else's height, and it's a really innovative feature, but leaks show that it is going to be coming to the iPhone 12 as well later this year, which is really great. Finally, let's look at release dates. Usually the new iPhone would be announced in September, but because of the coronavirus outbreak, it is very much possible it could get delayed, and some people are predicting as far as December. And although nothing's really confirmed yet, and I do hope the coronavirus outbreak will be over by September, it is possible the iPhone 12 could be announced later than expected. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to be notified each time I upload. Anyways, have a good day. See you next time, and goodbye.